How to zoom Google Chrome on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be talking about 3 such ways by which you can zoom in or zoom out on the Google Chrome. To get started with, open any of your Google Chrome browser. Tap on the 3 dots on the top right corner and then you have the option of zoom. If you click on the plus sign, it will start zooming in on the Google Chrome, and if you click on the minus, it will start zooming out. This is the first way by which you can zoom in. Similarly, the next option is press Ctrl and the plus keys on your keyboard and it will start zooming in. To zoom out, press in Ctrl and the minus keys together in order to zoom out. You can do the same if you are using a mouse as well, which is Ctrl and roll in to zoom in and roll out to zoom out. Similarly, the other option is by using your tab. For that, you just have to pinch in order to zoom in and pinch out in order to zoom out. To reset the Chrome into original, click on the magnifying glass and click on reset and you're good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.